Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 22 minus 11 is equal to 11. And again 22 minus 11 is equal to 11. Okay. Now 11 multiply 11 is equal to 121. Okay. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction, also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, is equal to, so now 22 minus, solve this multiplication, 11 multiply 22 is equal to 242 minus 11. Okay, so now here is a only multiplication left. Okay, here, sorry, only subtraction left. Here is subtraction and here is subtraction, so both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 22 minus 242 is equal to minus 2 to 0. Okay, so minus 220 minus 11. Now minus 220 minus 11 is equal to minus 231. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 231. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.